Hi guys, my name is Tito. I make videos on personal finance and investing every Wednesday. And if you're like me, you've often wondered how much you would make in interest or profit if you saved or invested 1,000 Naira every day for like 5 years or 10 years or 15 years or 20 years at a fixed interest rate. So in this video, we're going to see how much you would make in profit or interest if we invested 1,000 Naira every day for 20 years at a fixed annual interest rate of 10%. Now, before we dive into it, guys, please do me a small favor and like this video by clicking on the like button. I would really appreciate it. And in the time that I've spent saying all this, you could have liked it by now. So please like the video. And if you're into personal finance videos on saving and investing, then you might want to consider subscribing to this channel as well. Now, after this calculation that I'm about to show you, I'll explain to you why A, compound interest is the secret sauce that causes your investments to grow more over time, over a long period of time. And B, I'll tell you what tool you can use to save or invest daily. Now, to begin, you just open up your internet browser and in the address bar, you enter the URL saving.org/regular-savings/1000/day. So you don't need to type all that out. I've put the link in the description box below. So once the website opens, you just scroll down a bit and you'll see 4 places where you enter in some details, save every for this many years investment returns. So let's put in our information, right? We want to save 1,000 Naira every day. So 1,000 is already there, no need to change it. And the options are daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. We're doing daily, so select day, which is already there. And then for this many years, we're doing it for 20 years, 20 is already there. And then under investment return, the investment that we're putting it in will give us an annual return of 10%. So I'll just change this from 7 to 10. And once we've put all that in, we hit calculate and it has given us our answer. If you invest 1,000 Naira every day for 20 years at a 10% return, it will be worth 23,312,670 Naira and 9 kobo. Now, more or less, this is really just a good estimate for you to know what's possible. I mean, you could stick to the plan and everything could be fixed for that 20-year period, your contribution, the duration, and the interest rate. But truth be told, in that 20-year period, your interest rate could either go up or come down depending on what happens in the economy, depending on the nature of the investment. Things could actually change just a little bit. Even your contribution, your daily contribution will most likely increase over that 20-year period from 1,000 Naira every day to maybe even 5,000 Naira every day, depending on how your career or how your money or income earning potential flows through that period. But what this example does is that it lets you know what's actually possible if you stick to a plan for a certain amount of time with a fixed interest rate in mind. Now, with that said, let's talk about compound interest. Compound interest is one of the biggest factors when it comes to growing your money or your investments. Genius physicist Albert Einstein once famously said that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. And according to dictionary.com, compound interest is defined as interest paid on the principal and on the accrued interest. Now, say for example, on January 1st, 2021, you put 1 million Naira in your Piggyvest Flex Naira wallet, a wallet which currently gives customers a 10% interest rate annually. So you put 1 million Naira in there for a year, and that means by January 1st, 2022, you'll get 100,000 Naira added to your 1 million Naira. The 100,000 Naira being the 10% interest and your 1 million Naira being your principal. Now, say you don't decide to withdraw your 1.1 million Naira on January 1st, 2022, but instead you leave it to continue earning interest throughout the year of 2022. This means that compound interest will work now on both your interest, your 100,000 Naira, as well as your principal of 1 million Naira. Meaning that on January 1st, 2023, you earn 110,000 Naira on your new interest and principal. So compound interest, as said earlier, is interest on your principal and interest on your interest. So compound interest suggests that your money will continue to grow and compound so far as it's left in that investment that has an annual interest rate. And this is why compound interest is seen as the secret sauce that causes your investments to grow more than they ordinarily would. And there are several tools and apps that you can use for daily, weekly, monthly investing and saving, but the one I'm going to recommend is the same one I mentioned in the example, which is the Piggyvest Flex Naira wallet, which currently offers a 13% per annum interest rate. Sorry, a 10% per annum interest rate. Or you could go with their Safelock feature, which offers the 13% per annum interest rate. Now, why I'm recommending them instead of others is because with Piggyvest, you can actually automate your transfers from your bank account into your wallet, whether you want them to be done daily, weekly, monthly, or bi-weekly, or whatever. You can set the frequency yourself. Another reason why I'm recommending Piggyvest is because while I can't say, if they're going to be around 20 years from now, nobody can see that far into the future, I am confident in Piggyvest and I feel like they'll be around for quite a while. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If after watching this, you're going to take on the investing challenge and try and realize your own 23 million naira after 20 years, whether by saving daily, weekly, or monthly, then please let me know in the comment section below. And let me know which tool or app you plan to use to accomplish that saving and investing goal. Okay? If you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor and like the video by clicking on the like button. I would really, really appreciate it. And feel free to share this video with someone else like you, a friend of yours, or someone else who is money savvy just like yourself. You can share it using the share feature underneath the video, or you can copy the link of the video and send it to them via email or WhatsApp or Telegram, or you could even just drop it in your favorite Telegram or WhatsApp group. That would even work better. Finally, if this video or videos like this are your cup of tea, videos on saving and investing for young people, then please feel free to subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button. And don't just do that, but also turn on notifications and set the bell to all so that you're notified every time I put out a new video. And you can also feel free to follow me on social media as well. That was a mouthful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy investing, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.